All right, now, so today we are going to work on prepositions again. We have finished a lot of prepositions, but now today we are going to work on different prepositions. So have you worked on at? Have you worked against? I think our last word was against, right?
Against, sir.
Nachiket, what was our last preposition?
Against.
Against. Okay. So today we are going to work on along. Today we are going to work on along. All right. Sunita ji, repeat after me.
Sir, along Marathi meaning?
Along म्हणजे च्या बरोबर. Along म्हणजे च्या बरोबर. मेरे मराठी मीनिंग सांगणार आहे.
Along भी हो गया था सर.
Along भी हो गया था.
Yes sir, we are done with along.
नहीं सर, नहीं हुआ था.
Sir हो गया था sir.
All right, fine, no problem. We'll revise. Don't worry. Okay, we'll revise. So along it means च्या बरोबर. Following the length of. म्हणजे च्या बरोबर जाने. उसके साथ जाना. उसके साथ जाना. We walked along the road. मतलब हम रोड पर रोड के साथ चले. That is called along. All right, Sunita ji, repeat after. Answer me.
Yes.
Do you drive a car along the highway?
Answer.
Answer me. Yeah. Yes, I drive a car along the highway in this way. Do you drive a car along the highway? Everybody is answering me. Everybody is answering me. Okay. Do you drive the car along the highway?
Yes, I drive the car along the highway.
Okay. Do you walk? Do you go for a walk along the garden?
Yes, I go for work along the garden.
Okay. Did you keep your bike along the wall?
Yes, I keep on the bike along the wall.
Okay. Are you running along the pavement?
Yes, I am running along the pavement.
Are the people driving their vehicles along the street?
Yes. Are the
People are driving
along the street?
Okay. Are you walking along the footpath?
Yes, I am walking along the footpath.
Okay. Are those people, are they working? Are they working along the lane?
Yes, they are working along the lane.
Are you driving along the subway?
Yes, I am driving along the subway.
Is she walking along the ground?
Yes, she is walking along the garden.
Are they building the new society along the compound?
Yes, they are building the new society along the compound.
Got it? In this way. Now among मतलब क्या होता है? Among मतलब बहुत लोगों के बीच में. हाँ, दो से ज्यादा मतलब 3-4 लोगों के बीच में जब होता है तब हम
सर मैंने उसका स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं लिया सर.
Okay, get the screenshot. Everybody get the screenshot of this along. So among का मतलब क्या होता है? बहुत लोगों के बीच में, सर्व लोकांच्या मध्ये. म्हणजे दोन पेक्षा जास्त लोकांच्या मध्ये असेल तर आपण अमंग वापरतो आणि दोन लोकांच्या मध्ये असेल तर आपण काय वापरतो? बिटवीन वापरतो. दोन लोकांच्या मध्ये असेल तर काय वापरतो? आपण बिटवीन वापरतो. तर आज आपण अमंग पाहतोय. अमंग इट मीन्स द मनी वॉज शेअर्ड अमंग 3 पीपल. म्हणजे पैसा 3 लोकांच्या मध्ये वाटला गेला. रुपया 3 लोगों के बीच में बांटा गया. That is money was shared among 3 people. Okay. Okay. Answer me, Nachiket. Answer me.
Okay.
Did you share the dictionaries among 5 brothers?
Share the dictionary among 5 brothers.
Okay. Did the principal stand among 10 teachers?
Is the principal standard among the 4 among
That
10
is the
teachers?
second form. Stood is the second form. Did
Stood.
the teacher stand among 10? Did the principal stand among 10 teachers?
Yes, the principal stood among 10 teachers.
Okay. Did Aman stand top among 50 students?
Uh, uh, can you please repeat again?
Did Aman stand? Did Aman get the gold medal among 50 students?
Yes, Aman got the gold medal among 50 students.
Okay. Did you select the marigold among many flowers?
Yes, I selected
Marigold,
I selected marigold among many flowers.
many flowers. Okay. Did you go to LBS college among 5 colleges?
Yes, I went to LBS college among 5 colleges.
Did you buy the first bungalow among 8 bungalows?
Yes, I brought the first bungalow among 8 bungalows.
Did you watch G channel among hundreds of channels?
Yes, I watch Jiri channel among hundreds of channels.
Did you read Bhagavad Gita among 1000 books?
Yes, I read the Bhagavad Gita among 1000 books.
Okay. Did you take Sunita's interview among 30 candidates?
Yes, I took Sunita interviews among 30 candidates.
Okay. Did you answer 3 questions among 5 questions?
Yes, I answered 3 questions among 5 questions.
Very good. Good. Got it. So everybody got this? Now around the city, it means circling something. Yeah, surrounding something. Sabhotali. Around it means sabhotali. Around the block. Around the block. Aman, answer me.
Yes, sir.
Did you play cricket around the block?
Yes, I played cricket along the block.
Did Sanjana get the ring around the society?
Yes, Sanjana got the ring around the society.
Did players practice around the garden?
Yes, players practiced around the garden.
Okay. Did you go to library around the school?
Yes, I went to library around the school.
Did he forget? Did the students gather around the teacher?
Yes, the students gathered around the teacher.
Did the policemen stand around the beggar?
Yes, the policeman stood around the beggar.
Okay. Did parents wait for their kids around the play area?
Yes, the parents, sir, what is waited for their children around the play area.
Okay. Did the children sleep around mother?
Yes, the children slept around around mother.
Is Diwali celebrated around the city?
Yes, Diwali is celebrated around the city.
Okay. Will you go for a trekking around the village?
Yes, I will go for a trekking around the village.
Very good. Good job. Good job. Understand, Vinayak? So has everybody got any questions about around? Okay. Okay. Now Ronak, answer me. Are you around the city to repair watch?
Yes, I around the city.
I am. Are you around the city to repair the watch?
Yes, I am around the city to repair watch.
Is your father around the market for shopping?
Yes, I am. Yes,
Is
my
your
father.
father? My father is.
Yes, my father is around the market for shopping.
Is your uncle around the library for membership card?
Yes, my uncle is around the library for membership card.
Are players around the school for cricket ball?
Yes, yes,
Are players around the school for cricket ball?
yes, the players around the school for cricket ball.
Players are players around the school for cricket ball?
Yes, players are around the school for cricket ball.
Okay. Is your father around the garden for wallet? Is your father around the garden for wallet?
Yes, my father is around the garden for wallet.
Are the customers around the customer care desk for application?
Yes, the customer around the customer care
Care.
desk for application.
Okay, is that policeman around the office to call the office boy?
Yes, the policeman is around the office to call the office boy.
Okay, is Nilesh around the company to find the canteen?
Yes, the Nilesh is around the company to find the canteen.
Okay, was the doctor or was the patient around the hospital for reports?
Yes, the doctor was around the hospital for reports.
Okay, is your friend around the bus stop to park his car?
Yes, my friend is around the bus stop to park the car.
Vinayak ji, answer me. Did you go around the city to repair watch?
Yes, I went around the city to repair watch.
Did you buy some material around? Did you buy some material around the market? Okay, did you go around the market for shopping?
Yes, I went around the market for shopping.
Did you wait around the library for membership card?
Yes, I waited around the library for membership card.
Did Ankita search around the school for cricket ball?
Yes, Ankita searched around the school for cricket ball.
Did customers gather around the customer care desk for application?
Yes, the customer gathered around the customer care desk for application.
Did you go? Okay. Did you walk around the office to call the office boy?
Yes, I walked around the office to call the office boy.
Did you run around the company to find the canteen?
Yes, I ran around the company to find the canteen.
Did the patient search around the hospital for reports?
Yes, patients search around the hospital for reports.
Did you try around the bus stop to park the car?
Yes, I tried around the bus stop to park the car.
Got it? In this way, we talked about around. Now we are going to work on at. Okay. We are going to work on at. Okay. Now, Sunit, Avedna ji, answer me. At is used for specific location. For specific location at 23 Chestnut Street or at the park. In this way, for specific location, जर सांगायचं असेल तुम्हाला तर we use at. Avedna, answer me. Are you at 15 MG Road?
Yes, I am at 15 MG Road.
Okay. Is your car at the parking?
Yes, my car is at the parking.
Is your uncle at room number 4?
Yes, my uncle at room number 4.
Is important. Is your uncle, to be form sentences, MR is, was, where, will be. Are you at room number 4?
Sir, काय
Is वापरायचा is your uncle at room number 4?
my uncle is at
room number 4. Are the customers म्हणजे customers, सर्व customers, are the customers at the store?
Yes, they are at the store.
Are the patients at the clinic?
Yes, they are patient at the clinic.
Yes, patients are at the clinic असं म्हणू शकता किंवा they are at the clinic म्हणू शकता. they patients असं नाही म्हणू शकत. Okay. Are patients at the clinic?
Yes, काय सांगितलं सर परत सांगा.
Are patients at the clinic?
त्याचं कसं म्हणजे आन्सर कसं द्यायचं.
Yes, patients are at the clinic हे एक आन्सर आहे किंवा yes they are at the clinic कुठलेही द्या. Are patients at the clinic?
Yes, they are at the clinic.
Are visitors at the gate?
Yes, a visitor at the gate.
Visitors. Are visitors at the gate? Yes, visitors are. Are visitors at the gate?
Yes, visitor are at the gate.
Visitor नहीं, visitors अनेक वचन. Are visitors at the
Visitors.
gate?
Yes, visitor are at the gate.
Are actors at the lobby?
Yes, actors at the lobby.
Okay. Is the guard at the ATM center?
Yes, सर इथे काय वापरायचं?
Is the guard at the ATM center? Yes, the guard is at the ATM center. Is the guard
Yes.
at the ATM center?
Yes, guard is at the ATM center.
Is the professor at science classroom?
Yes, is professor at science classroom.
The professor is at science classroom. The teacher is at science classroom. Asam. Is the professor at science classroom?
Yes, the professor is at the science classroom.
Are your friends at the party?
Yes,
My friends
yes,
are.
my friends are at the party.
Correct. Very good. Very good. Karan, answer me. So whenever you want to talk in point in time, exact time, then we use
Excuse me, sir.
at. Then we use at.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Aman, please tell me. Ask the questions.
सर मैं ये बोल रहा था सर कि exact location can be a city or place. So where do we have to use that? At
Is used for exact specific location. 15 MG Road, 20 Gokhale Road, 13 FC Road, in this way. All right.
okay, sir.
Okay. Karan.
Yes, sir.
Will you go for a walk at 4 o'clock?
सर कैसे देना मतलब ये ऊपर
Yes, I will go for a walk at 4 o'clock. Okay.
Yes.
Will you go for a walk at 4 o'clock?
Yes, I go for walk.
I go nahi. Yes, I will go for a walk at 4 o'clock.
Yes, I will go for walk at 4 o'clock.
Okay. Will you learn or will you attend the class? At quarter मतलब 15 मिनट रहता है. 4:15 मतलब 4:15. हाफ मतलब आधा घंटा रहता है. 4:30 it means 4:30. 4:45 it means 4:45. What is
सर मतलब 4:45
5
and 5:15
मतलब 4:45. Okay. Karan Kadam, answer me. Will you study at 4:30?
Yes, I study at.
Will you? Yes,
4:30.
I will study. Will you
Yes,
study
I will
at 4:30?
I will study at 4:30.
Will you go to college at 4:45?
Yes, I will go to college at
At 4:45.
5.
Okay. Will you talk to the guest at 10 to 10?
Yes, I will, sir. फिर से बोलना
Will you talk to guests at 10 to 5?
Yes, I will talk to guest at 10 to 5.
Okay. Are you in the village at Diwali?
Yes, I
am at the village.
am at the village at Diwali.
Okay. Are you in Pune at Holi?
Yes, I am in Pune at Holi.
Okay. Are you happy at the beginning?
Yes, I am
Happy.
Yes. happy at the beginning.
Are you happy at the end?
Yes, I am happy at the end.
Are you in your house at night?
Yes,
I am in my house.
I am in my house at night.
Are you in the office at noon?
Yes, I
am in the office.
I am in the office at noon.
Got it? Okay, very good. Good job. Sarla ji, answer me. Unmute kara, unmute. Okay. Is your city at peace?
सर काय वापरायचं?
Yes, my city is at peace. तुम्ही तुमची सिटी शांततेत आहे का असं. येस माय सिटी इज ऍट पीस. इज युअर सिटी ऍट पीस?
Yes, my city is at peace.
ओके. आर यू ऍट वर्क?
Yes, I am at work.
आर यू ऍट रेस्ट?
Yes, I am at rest.
इज युअर डॉटर ऍट स्कूल?
Yes, my daughter is at school.
इज युअर डॉटर ऍट प्ले?
Yes, my daughter is at play.
इज युअर सन ऍट शूटिंग?
Yes, my son is at shooting.
आर यू ऍट कॉम्पिटिशन नाउ?
Repeat, sir, again.
आर यू ऍट कॉम्पिटिशन?
Yes, I am at competition.
ओके. आर युअर फ्रेंड्स ऍट गॅदरिंग?
Yes, my friend is at gathering.
इज युअर ब्रदर ऍट फेअरवेल?
Yes, my brother is at farewell.
Is the minister at inauguration?
Yes, minister is at inauguration.
Okay, very good. In this way, we talked about all the models today. Now we are going to work on speaking practice with the help of grammar. Practice with the help of grammar. So as I told you, the person who asks a lot of questions is going to be a winner of the conversation. So now I will write one question here and you are making a lot of questions and you
Sir,
are
conversation.
going to talk to me.
Hello, sir.
हाँ yes बोलिए.
Conversation is.
Conversation म्हणजे सराव, इंग्लिश बोलण्याचा सराव. All right.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Will you go to college? Okay, so this is the question. Will you go to college? Okay, I
Sir,
will ask. Okay, whom shall I ask?
Sir,
Will you go to college? Aman. Okay, huh.
Yes.
Will you go to college?
Yes, I go to college.
Will you future?
Yes,
Will
I
you go
will
to
go to college.
Yeah.
Will you go to college?
Yes, I will go to college.
When do you go to college?
When will you future? Talk
When
to me
will
about.
you go to college?
I will go to college tomorrow.
With whom will you go to college?
I will go to college with Ronak.
How will you go to college?
I will go to college by bus.
And at which time will you go to college?
I will go to college at 9 in the morning.
Why will you go to college?
I will go to college to attend the lectures. Good job. Anybody else? And you can change the verbs also now. Vinayak ji, huh? Change the verbs also and talk to me as much as you can. Vinayak,
Yes.
talk to me
Will
as
you-
much as you can. Huh?
Yes. Will you go to office?
Yes, I will go to office.
Why will you go to office?
I will go to office to complete my responsibilities or to attend my job.
And how you go to your office? How you will go to your office?
Don't change the structure. Structure change करू नका. फक्त त्यातले
Right.
क्रियापद चेंज करा, सब्जेक्ट
Right.
चेंज करा, स्ट्रक्चर चेंज करू नका, हायवे चेंज करू नका. त्या हायवे वरती जाणाऱ्या गाड्या चेंज करा, परंतु हायवे चेंज करू नका. Got it?
How will you go to office?
I will go to office by bus.
When in which time you will go to office?
I will go to office at 10 o'clock.
With whom will you go to office?
I will go to office with my friends.
When you will get
Structure
the
change,
meeting?
हायवे चेंज करू नका. स्ट्रक्चर चेंज करू नका. When will you? When will
where
you?
will-
When will you? When will he? When will she? When will it? When will Ram? When will you go? When will you come? When will you ask? When will you learn? When will you study? When will you teach? Got it?
Yes.
Change the
Yes,
verb and change the subject, but don't change the structure.
When will you meet your friend?
Meet nahi meet बरोबर आहे ना? When will you meet your friends? I will meet my friends tomorrow.
Okay. Thank
Where
you.
करा? Where? लगेच where करायचं. Where will
Where
you
you
meet your
will
friends?
where will you meet your friend?
I will meet my friends in the college. Why करा लगेच? Why?
Why you will meet your friend?
अरे स्ट्रक्चर चेंज करू नका विनायक.
Yes, yes, yes.
Why will you meet your friends? Huh?
Why will you meet your friend?
I will meet my friends to celebrate Diwali. Okay,
Thank
huh.
you.
Okay. Okay, next. Next,
Sir.
everybody can same
Hello,
topic.
sir.
Nachiket.
Will you go to market?
Yes, I will go to market.
When will you go to market?
I will go to market tomorrow.
Okay. And why will you go to market?
I will go to market to buy the vegetables.
And at which time will you go to market?
I will go to market at 6 o'clock in the morning.
And how
I
will
will
you
go
go
to
to market?
market by my scooter.
With whom you go to market?
Don't change the structure. I told you.
With whom will you go to market?
I will go to market with my friends.
And
Okay, fine. Good job. Good job. Next.
okay.
Next. Yeah, Ronak. Huh?
Will you write a letter?
Yes, I will write a letter.
When will you write a letter?
I will write a letter tomorrow.
Where will you write a letter?
I will write a letter. I will write a letter in my home.
Why will you write a letter?
I will write a letter. I will write a letter to inform my parents.
How will you write a letter?
I will write a letter by pen.
With whom will you write a letter?
I will write a letter with my friends.
At which time will you write a letter?
I will write a letter at 6 o'clock in the morning. Okay, very good. Good job. Next. Our topic is, did you repair the car? This is the topic.
Hello, sir.
Did you repair the car? Avedna.
Did you repair the car?
Yes, I repaired the car.
Why did you repair the car?
I repaired the car because it needed the repair.
Where did you repair the car?
I repaired the car at Varsha Car Care.
How did you repair the car?
I repaired the car by the mechanics.
And when did you repair the car?
I repaired the car yesterday.
And where did you repair the car?
I repaired the car in Pune. Very
With
good.
whom did you repair the car?
I repaired the car with my friends. Good job. Good job. Next, same topic. Aradhana ji.
Did you go to party?
Yes, I went to party.
Okay, when did you go to party?
I went to party yesterday.
Okay, why did you go to party?
I went to party to attend to meet my friends.
Okay, with whom did you go to party?
I went to market with my younger sister. Yes, next question, Aradhana ji.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. With whom did you go to party?
I went to party with my younger sister.
Okay, where did you go to party?
I went to party in my friend's house.
Okay. How did?
I went to party by bike.
Hello.
I went to party by bike. Okay, very good. Good job. Next, who is going to ask the next question?
Okay, sir. Actually, network train में है, sir.
Yeah, fine, no
Sir,
problem.
actually train में है, मुझे लगता है.
Yeah, it's okay. Thank you for attending the class, but yeah. Next question. Who is going to talk to me? I will change the topics. Did you welcome the guest? Did you welcome the guest? Okay, who is going to talk to me? Next topic. Did you welcome the guest? Who is going to ask me about, did you welcome the guest?
Sir.
Yes, please.
Did you welcome the guest?
Yes, I welcome the guest.
At what time did you welcome the guest?
I welcome the guest in the morning.
Where did you welcome the guest?
I welcome the guest in my birthday party.
And why did you welcome the guest?
I welcome the guest to celebrate my birthday.
With whom did you welcome the guest?
I welcome the guest with my family members. Okay, good job, good job. Next, same topic. Sunita Petkar. Ronak, Nachiket, Karan.
Sir, may
Start.
did you welcome the guest?
Yes, I welcome the guest.
When did you welcome the guest?
I welcome the guest yesterday.
Why did you how did you welcome the guest?
I gave them a bouquet and I welcome them.
How many guests did you welcome?
I welcome around 20 guests in my party.
Where did you welcome the guest?
I welcome the guest in my house. Good job.
At which time did you welcome?
I welcome the guest at 7 o'clock in the evening.
To whom did you welcome the guest?
I welcome the with whom?
With whom did you welcome the guest?
I welcome the guest with my family members. Okay, next topic. Did you
Sir,
drink coffee?
yes.
Sarla ji, boliye.
Did you drink coffee?
Yes, I drank coffee.
Why did you drink coffee?
I drank coffee because I got tired.
Where did you drink coffee?
I drank coffee at my home.
When did you drink coffee?
I drank coffee in the morning.
With whom did you drink coffee?
I drank coffee with my friends. Very good. Good job. Good job. Nice. Okay,
sir.
next.
Hello, sir.
Nachiket, start.
Did you drink tea?
Yes, I drink tea.
When did you drink tea?
I drank tea in the morning.
At which time did you drink tea?
I drank tea at 6 o'clock in the morning.
And with whom did you drink tea?
I drank tea with my friends.
Okay. And where did you drink tea?
I drank tea on the highway.
Okay. And how many times did you drink tea in day?
I drink tea. I drink 3 times a day.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Did you take admission? This is the subject. Quick. Who is going to ask me the questions? Anybody can ask me the question. Yes,
जिन्होंने कर लिया सर वो भी कर सकते हैं जिन्होंने कर लिया सर.
Yes, Aman, again.
Yes sir. Did you take admission?
Yes, I took admission.
At which time did you take admission?
I took admission at yesterday at 6 o'clock.
In which college did you take admission?
I took admission in LBS college.
With whom did you take admission?
I took admission with my friends.
Why did you take admission?
I took admission for my further studies.
And what is your purpose to take admission?
My purpose is to get a job. So I took admission.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Welcome. Good. Next. Karan. Okay. Vinayak, Ronak, Avedna.
Did you, hello sir.
Start, Avedna.
Did you drink cold drinks?
Yes, I drink cold drinks.
Why did you drink cold drinks?
I drank cold drinks to get fresh.
Okay, with whom did you drink cold drinks?
I drank cold drinks with my friends.
And when did you drink cold drinks?
I drank cold drinks in the afternoon.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Very good. Yeah, Aman.
Yes, sir. I am done with this topic.
Okay, any topic, you can select any other topic. Anybody can select any other topic, your
Hello,
own topic now.
sir.
Sir, did
Ah,
you?
yes, Nachiket, Nachiket.
Did you go for a picnic?
Yes, I go to picnic.
When did you go for a picnic?
I went to picnic in the morning. On
And,
last Sunday. On last Sunday.
And where did you go for a picnic?
I went to picnic to Mahabaleshwar.
And with whom did you go for a picnic?
I went to picnic with my friends.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good job. Anybody else? No? All right. Are you enjoying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you cheerful?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It was a huge topic we discussed today. We discussed the prepositions and we discussed a lot of speaking activities also. We had done a lot of speaking activities. Okay. All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, sir.
Bye,
Okay.
bye, sir.
Thank you. Good night, everybody. Good night.